You know, one of the reasons flatbeds are fun is because they offer you this platform to you know, get on, and then you can explore the surroundings. I'm in central Montana at the junction of highways 87 and 197, I think. There's a small truck stop here called Eddie's Corner, and I'm using my flatbed as a little stand to give me a better view. I stopped here last time when I was going this way, and now I stopped here again on the way back. See, I'm heading towards Great Falls. It's about 2 hours from here. Where are you? Oh, there you go. A lot of trucks stop here because it's an important junction. And you see, I'm on top of my flatbed, some 6 feet off the ground, and it's great. So if I had a dry van trailer, I wouldn't be able to do that, you know. So dry van guys, you know, are really envious right now as they're watching this. Maybe even with that load of hay, it will be difficult. I tried once to climb on the top, but you know, there's nothing to grab on. Wow, those mountains there sure look beautiful. But hopefully, I mean, it's a good thing that I went around them, like on this very you know, smart maneuver on Highway 3 from Billings, Highway 3, Highway 12, 197, and now 87. And a lot of grain haulers here. Saw some military trucks, a couple of helicopters, I think some maneuvers, military exercises are going on here. Alright, so now I'm ready to go. Great Falls, Montana. Here I come. From here it's 2 hours to Great Falls and 4 hours to the Canadian border in Sweetgrass, Montana, or Coutts, Alberta.